This tutorial will teach you how to make a silly chick face coaster using leftover fabric scraps. This is a great project for spring or Easter decorations if you want to just add a little whimsy to your decorations and use up some scraps. So start by layering the front, the interfacing, the batting, and the back of the coaster, and basting all these pieces together around the perimeter. Now we want to get the chick face ready. Hem all of the little triangles, so 2 black ones and 1 orange one, and baste them so that the edges stay down. You want to cut off the excess fabric that hangs over the edges of the triangles. Then you want to edge stitch these to the front of the coaster to make the chick face. At this point, you can remove the basting stitches from the previous step. Now you want to add double fold bias tape to the outside of the chick face. This will cover the raw edges of the chick face coaster. And there you have it, you're finished. You have a silly little chick coaster that you can use as an Easter decoration.